this is the Fast Lane RC Cyclones. Alright, as you can see, it is 3 years and older, and it requires 6 AA batteries. So, it does seem like it'll be very fast, but those tires, they seem like they'll be pretty fun to play around with. Right now I'm thinking, can this thing flip pretty well because the large tires in the back might help it. But overall, this thing looks like it's gonna be really good.
So you might want to sit down with that.
That's fine. There was probably an easier way to open that box.
I don't care right now. I'm just gonna get this open and test drive it.
Really fast. Yeah, I know.
Cyclone RC car. It takes 6 AA batteries, which are not included. As you can see, this is good for all terrain. It's a very small car. These wheels are rubber, so I can go over grass, concrete, carpet. If you'll notice, this right here can twist pretty well. It's got a wheel on the back, so you can do a wheelie if you need. Then you've got this RC remote that it contains, if you didn't see it back there. Got on-off switch. Ow.
Slide it and then it'll come off. Like turn it.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, and then you don't have to put that back on. Then you have to pull this out like that. Hold the little screws, tiny little screw right here. And we'll hold that piece wherever it went.
There it is.
All right, here's the batteries for that. You are bleeding.
Oops. No. My leg's fine. It's absolutely fine. I don't know what you're talking about. It's not bleeding. Not bleeding, everybody. Disclaimer, there's no blood in this video.
Is it working?
We haven't actually tried it yet. As you can see, this only takes 4 of the batteries, while the remote takes 2. So it's got 2 joysticks. One controls which direction the front wheels go. The other one controls if it goes forwards or backwards. So, here we go.
Yeah, we just need to keep that in there so when it's rolling, that battery compartment doesn't fall out.
All right.
All right, now let's try this.
Field test number 2. So, okay, it's not the best for going through grass. I got it. Probably because the grass is small.
Oh.
Alright guys, this is seriously rough gravel right here, so it's not, well, this thing isn't being very cooperative, guys, so...
Well, the problem is we messed up, right?
Yep.
Because of losing the little screw to hold the battery in.
So, one last time on the back, it's got this small wheel right here. That's what I was doing a wheelie with earlier. And these wheels are large enough to pretty much throw terrain up, but be careful on gravel because it will hurl rocks at you like a shotgun. As a conclusion, I love this thing. It's a lot of fun to do, surely because of the dynamic abilities of it.